G'day! Today I've got a very simple video regarding the stability of the Xero website. Now I reckon today I'm doing it a bit out of anger. Fired up Xero, used Xero today, using it throughout the day, just fine, got to a bit after lunchtime and bam, invoicing is no longer functioning. Still can reconcile things, but I can't go into invoices. A few other issues going on there. First thing I do, jump onto the Xero's page and it's coming up as an outage. Some customers may be experiencing outages. Yes, I'm one of those. I'm assuming it's a lot more than some. I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be quite a lot. Granted, there's a lot of interdependence on other stuff. There's Amazon Web Services to run the website, hosting, various other things. But come on. I swear in the last 6 months I've experienced more outages with Xero than I have for the previous 6 years. And that's with a price increase. Guess most of us, probably myself included, are sitting around waiting to see what is going to happen. Assumably it'll be fixed and it will be, you're all good, carry on with your day. And then in another month, probably another outage. Or another 2 months, another outage. When you're paying for a service, stability is a must, consistency is a must, and ease of use is a must. All of which those three seem to be slowly going downhill. So this goes on to my next topic regarding Xero and their updated invoicing page. I'm not sure quite to describe that. There's classic invoicing and new invoicing, or just invoicing. If I use the regular invoicing thing for a cash sale, so someone comes in, buys one item, pays cash, I got to go write invoice, fill out due date, even though the due date is irrelevant because it's today, they've purchased it already. Then I've got to go approve, I got to go into approve, reloads the page, then from there I can attach a payment, then I reload the page, and then I can print them their receipt. The new method they've got is currently shit. The previous classic method, I used to be able to spam out a cash sale in about 30 seconds with very minimal fuss. Now also when using the new invoicing, they came up and offered, they wanted a review on it. Well, I told them exactly what I thought and gave them the lowest possible review. I've also noticed, I reckon probably the last 3 months, they've kept pushing back the final transition date. They're probably noticing that people that do cash sales using the Xero software aren't finding it that great to do cash sale receipts because it's not good for that. Also, regarding their new invoicing, there is also a suggestion for online payments, which has me thinking that Xero are slowly pushing towards people doing more online payments, and they want to become a payment processor in another man in the middle to get extra fees. So that's why they're heavily transitioning it towards new invoicing. Funnily enough, if I go to bills and then fill out the bills section, it's all in the regular classic mode. Minimal fuss, minimal issues, just works. So why have they changed the new invoice to something that's more complicated, more time consuming, and more annoying for the end user, you? I'll put that down to the payment processing theory that I've currently going through at the moment. Because why else would you completely stuff up something that works so well and was so simple and so familiar? The biggest thing that people don't like with the tools they use on a day-to-day basis is change. A hammer is a hammer, a screwdriver is a screwdriver, a drill is a drill. An invoicing program that's constantly evolving like Facebook is an absolute pain in the ass. So they need to probably settle it down, reduce their pricing, because currently their pricing is getting ridiculous. Also regarding their price creep, with only incentives for new customers. So I will be waiting for a simplified third player to come into the accounting software or invoicing software. That's going to be simple, one-off payment, and potentially offline. So when there are outages, it just keeps going. Anyway, that will do my Xero rant for today. Bye.